Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to manage app permission on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on permissions. After click on permissions, so if you want to manage app permission, click on permission. So you will see three different options is here. Allow only when while using the app, ask every time, don't allow. So after manage permission, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.